Good afternoon, everybody. Criminal defense attorney Victor Orsatti here. So last week I had an interesting case out of Vista Court in San Diego, California. My client was charged with robbery, Penal Code 211, and it's a very serious felony under California law. It carries with it a potential prison sentence of 3, 4, or 5 years. So earlier on, we pled him not guilty, and then last week was his pretrial conference. So my client and I arrived in court. Went in, I sat down and met with the deputy district attorney handling the case, and he asked me what I wanted to do. I explained to him that my client was 19 years old, he had no prior record, and the facts of this case as robberies go was not a very serious one. The district attorney, to his credit, agreed with me, and after a little bit of discussion, he graciously agreed to dismiss the robbery charge, and in exchange, he requested that my client plead guilty to grand theft. Now, grand theft is also a felony under the Penal Code. However, it is a reducible felony, which means if my client remains law-abiding and successfully completes probation, we can go in at a later date and reduce to a misdemeanor. The district attorney further agreed to probation with no jail time. So I discussed it with my client and his mother, who was also present at the court, and after a little bit of discussion, they both agreed that this was a good deal. They took it. We went back in and pled guilty. My client went home, is sleeping in his own bed, and with any luck, in a few months, we will come back and get it reduced to a misdemeanor. So my client's happy, his mother's happy. I think we can put this one in the win column. And until next time.